Okay guys, I am done with the chicken tinola and it turned out, I think, good. So let's see what my wife says.
Masarap.
Masarap. Bon appetit!
Marunong na siya magluto.
I'm waiting. That was couldn't help it. Using that. Now you've got. What do you think about mine? It's really good. I like it. Yeah, I thought mine gives more taste.
Slicing it on an angle, as so, and I would say probably like an inch apart. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we're in my kitchen. And if you remember my previous segment that I did on cooking chicken adobo, which may be linked above or maybe at the end of the video, but check that out as well. Today I'm going to be making chicken tinola, and here are the ingredients. Be using vegetable oil or cooking oil, about a teaspoon and a half of vegetable oil. We'll be using ginger, and we'll be using 2 cloves of garlic, onions, lemongrass, which gives a really unique flavor and also smell, which my wife uses all the time in her dishes, and I mentally take note. Moringa leaf, and then green papaya, and chicken cubes. One of the important ingredients. Usually you put it on high, or you can put it on a medium high and let it get warm. When it gets at a right temperature, then I will add garlic. Guys, the oil is at the right temperature, and we want to slide this garlic into your pan. I will stir this until it turns a golden brown color. Once it turns a golden brown, I will then add the onions in. That always smells so good, garlic cookie. And then you also add the onions in. And constantly stir it. I only want to probably reduce the heat of just a little bit. Oh my, man, this smells so good. These 3 combinations of ginger, garlic, and onions smell so good. All right, so I didn't show you earlier, but I cut the chicken up into little quarters. And this is probably like 2 quarters sliced up. And so just add that in. Then we want to turn it up, probably medium high. I like to add the black whole pepper. Probably just a pinch. Of course, I love black pepper, so sometimes I go overboard, but alright. Alright, and you want to cover it and let it simmer for a couple of minutes. I'm going to add water to it now to make the soup. Now I'm going to add the lemongrass. Oh, it smells so good. And I'm going to let that simmer until it starts to boil. And then I'll be adding another ingredients as we go. Okay guys, I'm gonna taste it and see how it tastes. It's up to you if you want to add a pinch of salt to it, but I noticed that the chicken cube is a little salty already, so the taste is definitely up to you. I'm gonna add just a pinch of salt to it. And we'll go from there. Alright, we're gonna let that boil just a couple more minutes here. So the next thing I'm gonna add is the papaya, which has been cleaned. You want to let that simmer until the papaya is soft or to a texture that you like. Alright guys, we're going to check on this and taste it. It is extremely hot. I put a pinch of salt in here as you noted earlier. And let's see how this tastes. That's good. That's really good. Now I want to check the papaya. Okay, that's good. All right, so then our next and last ingredient is the moringa leaves. You know, I didn't know about these until my wife pointed them out to me. All these ingredients you can purchase at the Asian store or an Indian store. They don't take a long time to cook. They cook very quick under this high heat. All right, guys, it is ready. Oh, it looks delicious. This only took about between 15 and 20 minutes and you can have dinner on the table. It's simple ingredients and it is delicious. Okay guys, I am done with the chicken tinola and it turned out, I think, good. So let's see what my wife says.
Masarap.
Masarap. Bon appetit.
Marunong na siya magluto.
I did good.
Like and subscribe to our channel. Show you guys more cooking.
And also, check out our video, cooking chicken adobo. It was really good too. No, what's wrong?